Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Break Open Geodes is probably one of the most exciting and educational experiences you can have at home. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of geodes, those mysterious rock formations that hold hidden treasures within. Join me as we crack open these geological wonders, revealing the sparkling crystals and unique formations that nature has created over millions of years. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty and the science behind these incredible rocks. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes Kit. Unearth amazing crystals. This kit lets you break open rocks and find crystal treasures. It's a fantastic STEM activity, perfect for young explorers. Each geode holds a unique surprise. They've been hand-selected to offer a wide variety of crystals. You never know what you'll find. These are real specimens, ranging in size. Kids will love the excitement of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty within. It's a fun way to learn. Learn all about how geodes are formed with the included guide. It makes science and learning fun. This is the perfect STEM gift. From Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year winner. This kit fosters education and creativity. They have a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of crystal formations, ensuring a unique experience with each geode. The included learning guide will teach you all about the science behind these geological wonders. If you are looking for a comprehensive and educational experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The geodes were a great size and easy to break open. The geodes were beautiful and had a variety of crystals inside. The kids loved the whole experience. Number 4. National Geographic Geode Science Kit. These geodes are naturally forming volcanic rocks with amazing crystal formations inside. Crack them open and discover beautiful minerals. National Geographic selects only the best geodes from around the world. You're guaranteed to find fascinating crystals with this kit. Kids love these treasure-filled rocks. Encourage an appreciation of nature and geology in your child with this extraordinary science kit. Learn all about geodes and minerals with the full-color educational learning guide included. It's a great way to learn. We're proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. If your experience is less than stellar, let us know and we'll make things right. What we like. This kit features premium quality geodes sourced from around the world, guaranteeing fascinating crystal discoveries. It also includes a detailed learning guide to enhance your understanding of geology. If you want to encourage a love for science and nature in your child, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The geode's quality is very good. It's exciting to see what is in each one when you crack them open. They provide quite a lot of entertainment. They also spark creativity and optimism. If these look like ordinary rocks you'd find anywhere, then the world can be full of awesome unexpected magic. Number 3. Crystal Canyon Mexican Trancas Geodes Combo Pack. This combo pack from Crystal Canyon offers a unique experience. Inside, you'll discover 13 large Mexican Trancas geodes, each waiting to be broken open and reveal the beauty within. These geodes are sourced from Mexico. They are known for their stunning crystalline formations, including quartz. It's a fantastic gift set for anyone interested in geology or crystal collecting. The set includes Bravo's crystalline geodes. You get to experience the excitement of cracking them open yourself. It's a fun and educational activity for all ages. Inside each geode, you might find beautiful quartz crystals. The Cut Bravo's geode gives you a sneak peek. It's a great way to start or expand your crystal collection. This combo pack is more than just a gift, it's an adventure. It's a chance to explore the wonders of the earth. Get ready to be amazed by what you find. What we like. This combo pack offers a variety of large geodes, providing an exciting and diverse experience. These geodes are perfect for adding to a rock collection. If you are looking for a unique gift or want to expand your collection, this set is ideal. What people say. The geodes were a great size and easy to break open. The crystals inside were beautiful and colorful. The kids loved the whole experience. Number 2. Break Open Geodes Kit for Kids. Geodes are natural wonders, filled with beautiful crystals and minerals. This is a great learning activity for kids, allowing them to explore the wonders of geology. These real specimens are about the size of a tennis ball. Kids will love the thrill of cracking them open to see the natural beauty inside. This STEM activity emphasizes fun and discovery. Breaking open geodes is tons of fun. Grab a hammer and get to work, and reveal the incredible crystals inside. It's a hands-on experience that's both educational and exciting. Crack open this geode and find dazzling crystal treasure hidden inside. It's the perfect specimen to add to your rock collection, showcasing the beauty of nature. Follow the instructions for best results. Breaking open your own geodes can take a little time and patience, but the results can be amazing. The included guide will help you every step of the way. What we like. These jumbo geodes offer an exciting and rewarding experience, with the thrill of breaking them open to reveal hidden crystals. They are also perfect for starting or expanding a rock collection. If you enjoy hands-on activities and want to discover beautiful crystals, you should consider this kit. What people say. Very pretty geodes and lots of fun. Lots of open space, tons of crystals, white, all around the inside. One of them was black inside. I've never had one like this. I've bought it in the past and we had one with amethyst in it as well. Definitely get these ones for a chance of cool colors inside. Number 1. Blue Marble Break Open 12 Geodes Kit. Discover the magic of geology with this exciting kit. Break open these geodes and reveal the hidden crystals inside. It's a fun and educational experience for everyone. Inside each geode, you'll find a unique crystal formation. These geodes come in various sizes, offering a diverse and exciting experience. This is a great way to explore the wonders of nature. Keep your kids entertained with this hands-on activity. It's a fantastic way to channel their energy while learning about science. They'll love the thrill of discovery. Uncover crystals like quartz, calcite, and more. Each geode holds a unique surprise, making it a thrilling experience. This kit offers a chance to explore different crystal types. These crystal-filled geodes are perfect for any rock collection. They're a beautiful and unique addition. This is a great way to start or expand your collection. What we like. This kit is designed to be both fun and educational, making it a great activity for kids. The geodes come in varying sizes, providing an exciting experience for the whole family. If your child has a lot of energy and loves hands-on projects, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. The geodes were a great size and easy to break open. The crystals inside were beautiful and colorful. It was a fun activity for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.